Hello, gents. It's Lorenzo Wallace, and I have a question for you. Have you ever been to the restaurant, out to the mall, or at a store, and when you got back to your car, it would not start? What did you do? Well, that happened to me recently. I was at Home Depot, and I got back to my car, and it actually was raining this particular day. It was just a couple of days ago. And when I got back to my car and I started it up, guess what happened? It wouldn't start. Well, most of you are probably have in your car something like this. Jumper cables, right? Big old jumper cables. Um, but here's the thing with jumper cables. You have to find someone that's willing to help you jump your car. They're going to have to open their hood. First of all, they have to get close enough to your car so you can reach the cables. Then they're going to have to, you know, affix it to their battery. So it's draining their battery. And they're going to have to be willing to do all this. Not me. Let me tell you what I did. And as a matter of fact, this was a gift, a Christmas gift from my wife. I used this right here, this little baby right here. And some of you, I don't know, you may be familiar with this. It is called the red fuel. This was a lifesaver. Like I said, it was raining, right? And I would have been hard pressed to find somebody willing to get out of their car and let me hook up those jumper cables to their car in the rain. So really what happens here with the red fuel is just a little simple box. You do have to make sure it's charged, right? So it was in my car and I pulled it out of a bag. I actually have a bag somewhere that I keep it in, and it's a smaller cable set, right, that you plug in to this section right here, right there. And once you do that, make sure it's on. You can actually check to see just how much juice you have. I don't know if you can see that. 80%. And then you hook it up to your car. First you go with the red cable onto the red portion, of your battery, and then the black. This is a ground, and you hook that up. Then you have to make sure there's a little button on the side here that you press it, and once that light turns green, it's good to go. You get into your car, you start it up, and I tell you, on the first time you start it, you know what I'm saying, it starts right up. It was a lifesaver for me. I got a little wet. I did have my umbrella. Was a little concerned about getting shocked, just a little. Everything worked out though. And it started right up. I got in the car and came home. So as you can see, this seems pretty easy to use. So what I would like from you is to share with the Suburban Gents, if you've had an experience where your car wouldn't start, what did you do? Did you have jumper cables? Did you have a red fuel or some other type of equipment that helped you out of this situation? And the second thing, let us know if you purchased a red fuel and who did you give it to? Was it a gift or was it for yourself? So what I'm going to do is leave the description of the red fuel below with a link if you're interested in buying. And you don't have to buy it from me, but if you do, that would be greatly appreciated. So again, what did you do when you were in the situation and your car wouldn't start? And let us know if you have purchased the red fuel and who did you give it to? Was it a gift or was it for yourself? So I hope this video was of help, and if so, give it a thumbs up. And bye. for now.